Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Trina, and on my channel I share everything that's lifestyle related. Majority of that being home decor. So if you're interested in home decor, make sure you click that red subscribe button and make sure you turn your bell on so you will not miss any of my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. I'm glad you guys have stopped by to join me on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. So let's get started. So today, you guys, I have a room inspiration or a room tour to share with you all today. I recently made over my daughter's bedroom. She is 17 years old. Yeah, her name is Maya. This is her senior year of high school, so she wanted definitely a more older, more mature bedroom. So we tackled her room this weekend. We gave it a fresh new look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give us a big thumbs up, and make sure you share this video with family and friends and everybody else on social media as well. And yeah, you guys, so let's get started and let's see this new bedroom tour. Okay guys, here is the finished product of my daughter's updated room, and I think it turned out so beautiful. She is absolutely in love with her room. She's loving all the white and gold and the beautiful blush pinks, and it just looks really, really pretty. And it looks just on that edge of teen into young adult. I think that this room will be able to carry her all the way up into she gets ready to graduate high school and off to college, because it's very girly, but it's also kind of like an older teenage girly as well. So it is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I love the way everything turned out. And her room is not that very big. It's a standard sized room. It's like a 10 by 10. So we try not to have too much clutter in the room, because it just makes the walls and everything feel a lot smaller. So we try to keep everything clutter free and try to keep it organized. She usually does a really good job of keeping everything organized and in its place. So she does really good with that. But yeah, we are just loving the way everything has turned out. And it turned out so pretty, you guys. She's absolutely loving it. Now, we first started off by wanting to add a pop of color to the room, or wanted to add an accent piece. So we definitely wanted to do an accent wall. So we decided to do this beautiful wall, peel-on wallpaper by Valspar, and I picked this up at Target. It was $29.99 a roll. So we ended up using 3 rolls, you guys, to do this whole wall in her room. And I just wanted to have a focal point, something kind of like a centerpiece that would anchor the bed and kind of give the room a little bit more character. So we decided on this wallpaper. Is very pretty. I love it. It has it's like a cream and gold stripe, and it looks really, really pretty and adds a nice touch of glam and girly and a little bit of elegance to the room. So we absolutely love it. And it was really easy to apply. All you have to do is just measure your space and make sure that you have enough to complete your wall. And all you do is just peel it back and stick it on. Now, I would recommend you using 2 people for this job. As you can see, my husband here is helping me, because you want to have one person kind of smoothing the wallpaper down as the other one peels the rest of it off. That way you kind of get like this even application. Now, our walls, we did have to kind of keep going over it a little bit to kind of make sure it's smooth, because we do have textured wall. Our walls are not really smooth, so we did take us a little bit of time trying to get the walls perfectly smooth, get the wallpaper perfectly smooth on there. So right here, I'm just kind of taking my box cutter and just kind of cutting off the overhang, and that was it, you guys. And we really didn't have to cut or do any measurements. What we did was we started in the middle, as you can see before, and then we worked our ways out to the corners. I think that's the easiest way to kind of apply it. And then that way at the end, we're left with like maybe an inch or 2, as you can see right here, that was left. And then what we did was we took our scraps and kind of measured and cut that to close off that little end piece there. I think that's the kind of simplest way to go about applying this wallpaper. But yeah, we are loving the way it turned out, you guys. I think it adds definitely a nice accent piece to the room as well. So yeah, we absolutely loving the way it turned out. this is the finished product of the wallpaper. I just love that gold and cream. It looks really, really pretty. And then we went ahead and I just went ahead and hung up some nice sheer curtains in the room just to add a nice little, add some brightness to the room. And also I went and just added her a nice little desk here. We got this desk from Big Lots, and then I added a nice decorative gold mirror to kind of set on top of the desk to make it like her little vanity area. And that gold mirror, I ended up picking that up at Ross for like $14.99. Then of course she has her TV hung up above it. I mean, the space is okay for right now, so I mean, I was thinking about moving the TV and making it a little bit higher, but right now I think it's right at the perfect eye level to be able to see it from the bed. Now the bed is, to me, is like the focal point of the room because this bed is such good quality. We ended up getting this bed from a friend, so it definitely was a older bed, but it still had really, really good bones. The center of the bed has this nice, beautiful kind of ostrich material on it, and it just looks so pretty. And then it also has this gold, not gold, but silver beading around it that just gives it like this timeless look. So we didn't want to toss the bed out or anything like that. We just wanted to give the bed an update to kind of make the room feel a lot brighter because, like I said, it is a small room, so we wanted everything to be light and bright and just kind of like very feminine and girly and just, you know, kind of on that teen young adult kind of vibe. So that's the look that we were going for. So what we did here, we just kind of taped off the fabric section of the in the middle of the bed. Just tape that off, and we put a little just trash bag over just to kind of cover it up. That way we won't get any paint or anything on that as well. And my daughter is such a trooper because she actually worked on this bed, majority of this bed herself. And right now she's just taking a microfiber cloth and some alcohol, and she's just going in and just going to clean the wood down because it is real wood and everything. So we just want to make sure that we clean the wood down, get all the dirt and everything off of there. That way the paint adhered to it very well. And then we are using chalk paint. This is the Rust-Oleum brand, and it is in linen white, and it's going to leave a nice chalky smooth finish. And then we're also going to apply a top coat that dries matte, and it's in a Rust-Oleum brand as well. I love here. I'm just going ahead and going in and starting the first coat for her. I like to go ahead and, because it is a darker bed, so we're definitely going to need at least 2 to 3 coats to cover this whole surface area, to cover all the brown. So I'm just going ahead and putting the first coat on there just to kind of show her how to go ahead and do it, and then just to cover that first surface area to get all the brown covered. And then here I'm doing the same thing by just going in and just kind of outlining the detail of the wood and everything, and just trying to just trimming out the headboard and covering that area as well. And then here my daughter is just going in, and she's just making sure she's sticking the roller, and then she's making sure she's going in and getting all of the other brown side, the other side of the bed, or the inside of the bed, making sure she covers all that area as well. And then we're just using a standard brush, just one of those little kind of those little roller brushes to roll it out. And then we used a nice little hand brush that I was using just to kind of get the detail and everything, and get in the cracks and all of that. Okay, you guys, so this is day 2, and this is how the bed is looking like so far, and it is turning out absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So like I said, we have went ahead and put the first coat on, so now my daughter is working on the second coat, and she's just touching up all of the spots that need a little bit of extra paint on there just to make sure everything is like, all the bed is covered. As you can see, kind of in the little, what do you call those, vertical grooves. She needs to go over that a little bit one more time to make sure we get all those spots. That's what I'm kind of pointing to in the video here. My husband is pointing to. So it's just a few little spots that we need to touch up. But okay, you guys, and this is the finished product of the bed, and it absolutely looks so pretty, you guys. She did an amazing job painting it, and everything just looks fabulous. That white just brings absolutely gorgeous. And then for her shelving up here, we just kind of kept it simple. We just have a little plant up there that she's been growing for some months. She's been doing a good job keeping it alive. It is a real plant. And then we decided to showcase some of her artwork up here on the shelf as well. She loves to draw and everything, so she drew those artworks that's in the picture frames there. So we just added that to the shelves, nice with some little bit of, along with some little accessories. And then she just has like her makeup brushes and her nail polish and all that other little girly stuff up there on the shelf as well. So just kind of keeping it nice, simple, and clean. And then in her desk, we just have like a little, because the desk is small, so we really wanted to focus on just keeping it clear and clutter-free. This way she just have a space to do her hair, her makeup in the morning, and not have to worry about having everything all cluttered. Then her room is very small, so we just definitely wanted to use white linens and everything to kind of brighten the space and make it feel a lot bigger. So we went in with nice white quilts and nice white comforter. The comforter does have a little bit of gray in there, and then we just accented with some gray throw pillows and blush throw pillows, as well as a blush throw blanket. And we just have a nice little lamp over there to keep it nice and bright. And she wanted to add those nice little what do you call those, fairy lights along the headboard or whatever. So she wanted to add those on there. We ended up picking up the wrong ones because those I think are outdoor, so I need to go to the store and switch those out and actually get the ones for the inside. But yeah, you guys, so we are loving the way it turned out. Everything looks so pretty and so amazing. She is so happy with her new bedroom. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you would love to see more videos like this, please thumbs up it as well. And if you are not part of our decorating family here, please hit that red subscribe button down below. We would love to have you join our family here. Until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.